Struggling with dark spots, dullness, or stubborn acne marks that just won't fade? Meet your skin's new best friend, the Anua Niacinamide 10% plus TXA 4% serum. In today's video, we're breaking down everything you need to know about this K-beauty favorite, from ingredients and real results to who it's perfect for and who might want to skip it. If you're curious whether this serum lives up to the hype, keep watching. Anua is a Korean skincare brand known for its minimalist formulations focused on sensitive and acne-prone skin. The brand emphasizes gentle but effective ingredients, often inspired by natural and clinical science blends. Key ingredients and their functions. Niacinamide, 10%. A powerhouse form of vitamin B3. Brightens dull skin by inhibiting melanin transfer. Regulates sebum production. Strengthens the skin barrier. Reduces the appearance of pores, fine lines, and uneven tone. Tranexamic acid, TXA, 4%. A derivative of the amino acid lysine. Reduces hyperpigmentation by blocking melanin formation pathways. Helps with melasma, dark spots, and post-acne marks. Calms skin inflammation. Arbutin, naturally derived brightening agent. Reduces melanin production. Works well with niacinamide and TXA for fading dark spots. Panthenol and allantoin, soothing and hydrating agents. Help calm skin irritation and repair the skin barrier. Zinc PCA, controls excess oil and supports acne-prone skin. Has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Texture and consistency. Lightweight, semi-viscous serum. Absorbs quickly with minimal tackiness. Non-greasy and layerable with other products. Leaves a slightly dewy finish. Performance and results, based on usage over 4 to 6 weeks. Brightening and pigmentation. Noticeable brightening in 2 to 3 weeks. Works well for fading post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, PIH. Melasma and sunspots may take longer, around 6 to 8 weeks, to fade. Pore size and texture. Skin texture becomes smoother with consistent use. Pores appear smaller, especially in combination with good cleansing habits. Oil control. Balances oily T-zones effectively. Great for combination to oily skin types prone to shine. Sensitivity. Generally well tolerated, even by sensitive skin users. Minimal stinging or redness upon application, if any. Fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and essential oil-free. Pros. High concentration of niacinamide without being overly irritating. Combines well with TXA and arbutin for a multi-pathway approach to brightening. Suitable for acne-prone, dull, or textured skin. Can be used AM and PM. Good packaging, UV-protected bottle with dropper. Clean, minimalist ingredient list, no unnecessary fillers. Cons. May be too strong for very sensitive or barrier-compromised skin. 10% niacinamide is on the higher side. Requires consistent use, minimum 4 weeks, to see visible brightening for deep pigmentation. Slight tackiness may not suit all skin types under makeup. Not ideal for dry or flaky skin types unless layered with a hydrating serum or cream. Who should use it? Ideal for acne-prone, oily, combination, and dull skin types. People with post-acne marks or sun-induced pigmentation. Caution for dry, eczema-prone, or rosacea-prone skin due to the high niacinamide content. The Anua Niacinamide 10% plus TXA 4% serum is a high-performing, thoughtfully formulated product great for tackling pigmentation, uneven tone, and oily skin concerns. Its combination of niacinamide, tranexamic acid, and arbutin offers a powerful brightening trio. While effective, it may be too potent for reactive skin without proper barrier support. Pair it with a hydrating moisturizer for best results. So, is the Anua Niacinamide serum worth adding to your routine? If you're targeting hyperpigmentation, oil control, or just want that even-toned glow, this one definitely delivers. But as always, consistency and the right routine matter. Let me know in the comments if you've tried it or if you have another serum you swear by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest skincare reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.